please just not be a dead body or something? I was kidding. Hey, come here.
Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. This channel brings you real cases, carefully examined, not for shock, but for understanding. Your support helps keep these stories told responsibly. Now listen closely. Police officers respond to what appears to be a routine traffic incident. A hit and run. No fire. No victims on the roadway. Just a damaged pickup truck and a missing driver. But one officer pauses. He looks into the bed of the truck, and instantly realizes this scene is nothing like it first appeared. What was meant to be a simple report would become a homicide investigation that stunned an entire community. And the most chilling part? The person responsible didn't flee in panic. They walked away calmly, leaving behind something no one expected to find. Stay with us, because the truth behind this case unfolds in a way few could imagine.
On foot.
Okay, so you just walked up. I have absolutely no idea what you're saying.
Oh, no, I was talking to him.
Okay.
Actually, I don't know if I was like the first one to call, but picking my kids up, and it's just was sitting here, and then I noticed that truck had a little bit of smoke coming off of it, that student driver semi. And we were kind of stuck here in traffic, and the younger dude that was driving was getting down pretty good on foot going down Hayes. So when I called the dispatch, asked me for a plate number, and I recognized that the plate was way expired.
Okay. Were you involved in this? Were you involved?
No, involved.
Oh, hold on. Did you get in an accident?
Yes.
Okay, I need you to pull that further forward so it's on the curb, so it's not blocking the road, okay? Perfect. Did he say it? How you doing? So what happened? Where were you guys at? So you were at... What street were you on? Okay, you're north-south, so Hayes. You were turning left onto Common Road. Okay, and what was that guy doing? Hold on. Where was that vehicle at? What road? So it was on this road, facing that way. Okay, so you guys turned. Was that vehicle just sitting there? So what happened? So was she sitting still? All right. What'd the person look like? Can you give me a description? Female? Male or female? I can't see, it's the reflection. Male or female? Female? White or black? I'm not going to be able to see it with the sun. Okay, what does she look like? Just look at the picture and just describe her for me.
The door sill is blocking her eye.
Oh.
All we see is a nose and mouth and Nike sweatshirt. Gray Nike sweatshirt.
Okay, is she a white or a black female? White female? Hair color? We can't see it. Bright. Brighten it, because we can't see the picture. There's absolutely no damage because it hit the rear tire. That's hilarious. It hit the tire. It hit a tire. It's just got some marks on it. You got your ID? I guess since you're the driver of that, took off.
Well, I see an very old tag on the plate, so I can get it.
Yeah, well, whoever's driving it is a white female. Reddish hair, shoulder length, took off.
Yeah, Gabzilla.
Probably Gabzilla.
That says on me.
Yeah.
You don't want me to do the info for them?
It don't matter.
Hello.
Hi.
I was worried somebody hit my truck.
No, you're okay.
Did I do it?
Nope, you're good.
As much damage as on that thing, it hit the tire on the trailer.
Really?
And it like caused no damage to the tractor trailer.
Was
It
it
hit
full?
somebody else's car?
Yeah, truck.
They were turning, and this car came flying up and hit the back end, hit the trailer of this truck. And then this person took off running. Yeah.
Oh, they took off?
Yeah.
Expired license plates. No attempt to explain. No call for help. It was unusual, but still within the realm of a hit and run. At least, that's what everyone believed at first. As officers spoke with witnesses, the story became increasingly unclear. Some said the driver appeared female. Others believed it was a man. Most remembered one thing clearly, a gray hoodie, the hood pulled up. No one could agree on age. No one could confidently identify the face. What was consistent was the behavior.
Well, please just not be a dead body or something. I was kidding. Hey, come here. I was just kidding.
What?
There's someone dead in back. I made the joke, and then I wasn't okay.
Thirteen dispatch.
There goes the explanation.
Go ahead. Check that station 70, 71 down here right away.
That might be the owner.
Where you at?
Calvin and Hayes.
I'm not going to touch anything else.
Okay, he's letting it respect.
You're gonna wanna leave this for right now.
There's someone dead in back.
Okay. Yeah, I'm calling my dispatch right now.
I gotta shut this road down. Shut the whole thing down, probably. You know what?
Hey, it's Lise. This accident. Supposedly a truck made a turn on the common road, hit the front of the car. They said it was a white female that took off. We just found a body in the bed of the truck. Started searching the bed of the truck for me, and he found a dead body. So, I don't know if you, 7-1's on the way, I don't know.
At that point, officers prepared to have the pickup truck towed, a standard procedure. And that's when everything changed. Before towing a vehicle, officers conduct a routine inventory. It's procedural. Mechanical. Done countless times. As one officer approached the truck bed, someone half-joked, hoping there wasn't anything worse waiting inside. Seconds later, the humor vanished. Inside the truck bed was a deceased woman, carefully wrapped in bedding. The roadway was immediately shut down. The tow was cancelled. The tone of the entire scene shifted. This was no longer a traffic incident. It was a homicide. And whoever walked away from that crash hadn't just fled an accident, they had left behind a body. If you're finding this case gripping so far, pause for a moment, like the video. It helps more people discover these stories and keeps the conversation going. Within minutes, additional units arrived.
Okay.
Good. She took off.
It's definitely, I need that picture. I need you to screenshot it and try to email it to me. This guy was southbound Hayes with the green light turning onto here. This car came flying up, mid-20s, early to mid-20s.
Wow.
What color was the shirt?
It's right there. I think it's like kind of.
You tell me. I didn't look at this yet.
Yeah, yellow channel.
Silver.
It's like this
Silver.
color.
Yeah, this
Like a
color.
gray?
This color, yeah, gray color.
Light gray shirt.
She had a dead body in the back.
Fraser to Callahan Command. We've got a couple cars heading that way. Just let us know where
That's
it
what
goes.
she.
Okay, I'm gonna try to send this. I'm trying to view. We gotta brighten this up. We gotta. She was last seen here. I gotta talk to this lady up over here. She said she saw her too, but there's a video.
Last scene?
Yeah, see if you can get me a last scene
Oh,
look.
he said she run up that way.
She ran north.
Any idea which way she took off?
Yeah, it sounds like north on Hayes.
Give me.
If
you want, I can send them all.
Can you give me? So she got out of the car and took off running.
I don't know if it was a girl. She had a hood up.
Okay.
Her if they got anybody
My
available.
friend who was on lunch with me, but in the car behind me, said she booked it down Hayes.
That way?
Yeah.
Not that way.
That way.
Chris, stay down there with your car.
Yeah, find out for sure. What was she wearing?
I think it was a white hoodie or a gray hoodie.
So light gray.
Hey, did you see which way the person ran down Hayes? Was it towards 13? He went towards 12.
Toward 12 mile, because the driver says she went that way.
Oh, so they're saying
I'm
it's
at Martin and Hayes. Where do you want me?
Because I said at the light while he walked. He walked right past that parking lot. There's like a
Or we need somebody to come up on Hayes here
right there.
and sit on northbound
Did
Hayes.
you see if it was a guy or a girl?
It looks like a dude.
Okay.
Looked
And he
like a
was-
guy.
Yeah, they were carrying like a Coney bag, like a Coney Island bag.
37 dispatch. I can hold 13
Like,
at the church.
Any description, anything.
Do you have anything else?
Height, weight, approximate age. Do you believe it was a guy?
Like a garbage bag of clothes out of his car.
Start auto. I'm in 15. Where do you want me at? I'm 13. I'll come up to Hayes now.
You said he was carrying a Coney bag, like a
National Coney Island
like
bag.
a food bag.
Yeah.
Okay. We got different description. We got different things here. They said it was a light gray hoodie. The hoodie was up and went that way. He says that way.
Okay, now we're getting us
Yeah.
possibly could have went southbound as well.
He did have
So why don't we get somebody down at 12 mile? We'll get somebody up at 13 mile on 8.
So give it a second.
Good with. What is 10 up?
at 4 by some coffee spot. Still pushing.
What time did you get out here, man? About
A little after 12, like 12:15 maybe.
12:15. Okay.
I think this came out at 12:09. I was going east on Common, and I was almost to Gross Peck, so I turned around and came right up. So fairly quick. But then this was empty. I played, and
The answer would begin to emerge through something unexpected. A live stream video. A bystander, recording the aftermath, unknowingly captured critical moments, including the driver exiting the truck and walking out of frame. That footage would become a turning point. Nearby, investigators recovered a bag containing identification. A name. A face. And suddenly, the investigation had a direction. The woman found in the truck was 66 years old. A private person. A routine life.
What's going on here?
if you go to, you should be able to do that, and you should be able to email it.
Save to your videos later.
Holy shit. Holy shit. This just happened. I don't know what's going on, but... Whoa.
Surveillance footage revealed disturbing activity hours before the crash. He was seen pacing outside the victim's apartment. Waiting. Watching. Later footage showed him repeatedly moving items from the apartment to the truck. Inside the residence, investigators found signs that confirmed their worst fears. This was not a spontaneous act. It was deliberate. Calculated. And violent. If you appreciate in-depth storytelling that focuses on facts, psychology, and accountability, consider subscribing now. These cases matter, and remembering them matters. After the crash, the suspect vanished. Days passed. Then a tip led officers to a parked vehicle in a neighboring township. Inside, they found him hiding. He was taken into custody without incident. But answers would not come easily. During recorded jail calls.
What is saying about me?
Huh?
What is the news saying?
There's a lot being said right now.
Tell me something, dude. I don't even know.
Okay, so then I need you to tell me what was going on.
I can't until after court, dude.
Well, you know, that's what I'm saying, like, but it's a lot being said. Like, they're saying that you were living with her, like that the media turns you into a monster. So I was the one that was defending you in the comments and everything.
Neck, dude.
Huh?
I woke up with her hands around my neck and that's all I'm saying.
There's like no audio right now.
At all?
Huh? Okay, there it
I
goes.
woke up with her hands around.
I woke up with her hands around my neck.
Okay, you told that to the detectives when they got you?
No, girl, I'm waiting to see.
No, girl, I'm waiting to see a
The
lawyer.
jury
I
deliberated. And the verdict was decisive. He was convicted on multiple charges, including first-degree murder, home invasion, and additional felony counts. There would be no walking away this time. This case reminds us of something unsettling. Evil doesn't always look chaotic. Sometimes it moves quietly. Calmly. Through ordinary spaces. A crash that should have been forgettable revealed a crime that could not be ignored. If this story stayed with you, leave a comment, not speculation, but reflection. What moment struck you the most? And if you want more cases examined with depth and respect, subscribe and stay with us. Because every victim deserves to be remembered. And every truth deserves to be told.